Hello everybody. Today I'm going to discuss uh, one numerical solution regarding the Euler's method. We'll actually solve one numerical problem or ordinary differential equation using Euler's method. In my previous video we have seen how to use Euler's method to solve ordinary differential equation, and today we'll discuss with another example. Okay, and as you know, Euler's method is used to solve ordinary differential equation approximately. It means that we'll get approximate value as a solution of ordinary differential equation on the basis of some value of x, right? Now consider the differential equation dy dx equals to fxy given y0 equals to yx0. Okay, sometimes it is also called this ordinary differential equation is also called initial value problem. Okay, now here we have to find yn equals to yxn, and what is the value of it, right? Now according to Euler's method, yn equals to yxn, that is equals to yn minus 1 plus hf xn minus 1 yn minus 1, right? So yn equals to just minus 1 here, n minus 1, yn minus 1 plus hf x n minus 1 and y n minus 1, right? So this is the Euler's method where this h is equals to xn minus x n minus n, that is the difference between two consecutive instances of x, right? So from here we can say xn equals to x0 plus nh. Okay, in my previous video I have shown you what is the value of xn and how we will get xn equals to x0 plus nh, right? Now here, according to the equation 1, that is the Euler's equation, we will get for n equals to 1, y1 equals to y0 plus hf x0 y0. For n equals to 2, y2 equals to y1 plus hf x1 y1, right? Just put the value of n here, and by doing this, y3 equals to y2 equals plus hf x2 y2, right? And for n equals to n, yn equals to yxn equals to yn minus 1 plus hf x n minus 1 y n minus 1, right? And what is the value of f x n minus 1 y n minus 1 or f xy? That you can get from the question, that it will be given in the question. Okay, right? dy dx equals to f of xy. Okay, and this f xy, the value of this will be given in the question. Now coming to the example directly, you can understand it properly. Solved by Euler's method of the following differential equation for x equals to 0.8, that is the value for which we will find out the value of y, right? So x equals to 0.8, taking h equals to 0.2, and what is h? H is the difference between two consecutive instances of x, that is x0 and x1, x1 and x2, x2 and x3, and so on, right? And dy dx, as I said, it will be given in your question. Dy dx here is x square plus y, and also it is given y equal to 0 when x equals to 0 or y0 equals to 0. Got it? Now coming to the solution, we have dy dx equals to fxy equals to x square plus y. It is given. Now initial condition also given, x0 equals to 0, y0 equals to 0, and h equals to 0.2. Now what is y0? Y0 is actually this yx0. Got it? yx0. Now here, according to the Euler's formula, yn equals to yn minus 1 hf xn minus 1 yn minus 1. That is we know, right? Now coming to this table, we get for x0 equals to 0. It is the initial value as it is given in the question, and we have to find the value of y for x equals to 0.8, right? So we have to improve the value of x from 0 to this 0.8. How? That we will see. So initial value of x, that is x0 equals to 0, and for that y0 equals to 0, it is also given, and that is equals to yx0. Now x1 equals to x0 plus h equals to 0 plus 0.2. 0 is the value of x0 and 0.2 is the value of h, so 0.2. And for that value we will get y1, that is yx1. What will be the value? We will calculate later. Next, x2 equals to x1 plus h, so 0.2, this 0.2 plus 0.2 for h equals to 0.4. For that we will get y2 equals to yx2. Next, x3 equals to the value of x2, that is 0.4, plus h, that is 0.2 equals to 0.6. For that we will get y3 equals to yx3. Now x4 equals to, similarly x4 equals to x3 plus h equals to 0.6 plus 0.2 equals to 0.8. So for that we will get y4 equals to yx4 equals to what we will get. Okay, we will get after calculation. Now see, the value of x now become 0.8, and as per the question we have to find the solution for x equals to 0.8. So as we have already got 0.8, so we'll stop our operation for x here and we'll go for y4, right? So for y4 we have to calculate one by one, y1, y2, y3 and y4, right? Now first y1. For y1, according to the formula, as we know, yn equals to yn minus 1 plus hf xn minus 1 yn minus 1. Now put n equals to 1 here. So y1 equals to y0 plus hf x 1 minus 1, that is 0, y 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So here y1 equals to y0 plus hf x0 y0 as per the Euler's formula. And as we have got all the values for y0, x0 and h, so we can easily calculate y0 equals to 0, put the value of y0, it is 0, h 0.2, x0 0, y0 0. Okay, so by this way we will get the value, and f x0 y0, that means according to the question dy dx equals to fxy, that is f x0 y0 in case of this, right, f x0 y0, so it will be x square plus y, that means it will be x0 square plus y0. So here x0 square, that is 0 square plus 0, so 0. So and now y1 become 0, right? So for y1 we have got the value as 0. Now y2, let us calculate the value of y2. How? y2 equals to, similarly for the from the Euler's equation, y2 equals y1 plus hf x1 y1. Put the value of y1, x1, h and y1, right? So by this way, this x0 this x1 square plus y1, y1 is 0, 0, h is 0.2 and x1 equals to 0.2. we have already got from here, right? So after calculation it will be 0.008. so put the value over here, 0.008, right? Sorry. Now y3, for y3 according to the Euler's formula it will be y3 minus 1, that is y2 plus hf x 3 minus 1 y3 minus 1, that means x2 y2, right? Now put the value of y2, x2, h and x2. Okay, so it will be 0.008 plus 0.2 f 0.4 0.008, and from the equation here, this equation x square plus y. So it will be 0.4 whole square plus 0.008, and we will get the value this 0.416. So y3 is 0.416, right? 0.0, sorry, it is 0.0416, right? 0.0416. Now by this value we have to calculate the value of y4. Now y4 equals to y, according to Euler's formula, y4 minus 1, that is y3, plus x4 minus 1, y4 minus 1, that is x3 and y3. So it is equals to y3 plus x3 whole square plus y3, right? How we will get this? By this formula. This one is the formula. It is given in the question, right? So if we solve it, it will be like this: 0.0416 plus 0.2 into 0.6 whole square plus 0.0416, as we have got the value of y3, and finally y4 equals to yx4 equals to 0.1219. So write it here, 0.1219, and that is the solution, right? So it is the solution for x4 equals to 0.8, and this is the final answer. So hope you have understood this problem. If you have any question or any query, you can comment in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your queries. Thank you.